as we speak, as a last Saturday, you will Kumawu Kronum. This is it. Entire Kumawu township, ya dika. As you free about the Ababeduo. Quite so dead. Nothing. Just say, Kumawu for, says ya, Wokoda. Adian Chiano Pano. Na ufie, uvaran de Nimunani, a Gukota. Hey, Ukoda Kumawu anopa. Adia cha won sorry no overanda so everywhere obe sorry sesia yesin day night awia anajo light is Kumawu a ye Kumawu kwan. Hey Mr. President, are you aware? Do we have money ewo Kumawu a awia no pa nwumre na mebo the longevity of sa kwan we ebetimi a chede. Are we doing a better road? Is it because of the by-election? Musi debi ekwanoma award da mini problem, but I am worried. See, you bet me I kwan way within 3 weeks. Ewo Kumawu, you go Kumawu township. If you are you ko ekwa fijasi ko ekwan no left and right. You go ne pa Kumawu township. Akado ni edi guso kasem fidi egu krom ho. Obi akwa massive Kumawu. Hey Nanado, are you aware? Sa Ghana was sika overnight. Me say 24/7. Ayi contractors ewo Kumawu abreki Joshua we breaking Guinness Book of Record because 24/7 on that. What again now on aduane wa Nigeria no. Oh yeah, kwine poor. Nanado. Any another pedi ebisa on say, are you aware? Say the rate at which a Kumawu project ekoswo engineers are supervise. Yeah, kwine na wie ema ye wie ya eba be tutu. And I said we've done the right thing. I am worried and I'm happy. The happiness is that Obiawu eme ye kwine ewo Kumawu. But another worry is that the rate at which Aquino within 3 weeks, yet me a good entire Kumawu township, the entry road near other areas, you go no papa Kumawu is a source of concern.